Holy crap, I'm in the Samsung Experience store, and what's that over there? What's that? What's that? Oh, we're about to form Voltron right here. So they have a lot of cool stuff in here, but what drew my eye was this over here. Holy cow. They have a whole Voltron theme for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. I am in love. Oh my goodness, and the little guys right there too. So the trading cards go inside of the Galaxy Z Flip5 case. Which lion would you rock? For me, it would actually be Yellow Lion, because that's the one I had in my childhood.
But once it's like that, then that's your screen.
Oh snap!
So it just depends on which one, but you'll have six different cards to choose from.
Wow, that is fantastic. Can you do it for the Yellow Lion?
Sure.
That is absolutely amazing. So it's like an NFC on the back?
Correct.
That is awesome. Let's go with the Voltron Force. There we go. Form Blazing Sword. Yeah, that's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen for a phone ever. And you can have this for the low price of $800 starting Black Friday. Yeah, I think I'm getting it.